video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me over a lot of stuff. Your girl got a wig cap and I got a nice bag to put my hair in. I also got another wig cap. Also, they gave me an elastic band, always come in handy, some lashes, a really cute gift, which I was not expecting. It was a necklace, you guys. Then I got this, and I don't know what this is, y'all. I'm assuming it's something to do with your wig. Another wig cap, period. This is the closure. It is a 5x5 lace front closure, you guys. It's 24 inches body wave, and it's 180% density. It's giving, let's get this put in, period.
Gotta make sure that this one's not loose. This is how I put it on. I use a sponge because the bristles be going through the neck.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse in the carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. A little more, give a little less. Now you hate to confess, but baby, who you needed me. You've been rolling around shit and roll it up. Let her roll it up. Break it down like a punch. Shit would never us. Shit would never us. That's the real on the real. Are you serious? How you feel? How you feel? Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. Don't care. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse in the carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. But a little more, give a little less. Now you hit the canvas. But baby, who you
Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, my hair is finished. It's so freaking cute. It's giving scalp, and I'm so happy to be back black. This hair is really melted to the scalp. It's giving, this is my hair, and it's a 5x5 closure, you guys. I've really been feeling closures because like they're so easy to maintain. You don't have no lace on the sides. I love me a middle part, and closures are perfect for middle parts. 5x5 closure just gives like it's still a frontal without being on my edges, you know? And like when I took that blonde wig off, y'all, I ripped that shit off, and I shouldn't have did that because I snatched my sideburns out. So now I'm able to let my sideburns breathe, and I'm letting them grow back. The link will be down below in the description if y'all want to go get y'all this 5x5 closure because it's definitely melted. Thank you so much, Nadula Hair, for sponsoring this video. I love this hair, honestly. Like, I'm definitely gonna wear this hair again, 100%. I definitely am going to have the link and all the information down below in the description. Thank you again, Nadula Hair. I'll catch you guys in my next video.